Greeting, Mark O'Neill. We're going to be looking at how we can actually create a Venn diagram in this PowerPoint presentation here. Very important. All right, so let me select a blank document by going up here to the insert. Then we're going to click over here. That's a slide. We're going to go down to a blank. Right, very important. So we're going to create the Venn diagram. So the first thing that we wanted to do, notice you click on the insert, then shape. So you're going to click here on shape. You're going to click on the circle. If you're using a desktop computer, you always hold on the left side of the mouse. If you're using a laptop, on the left side. Right, just like that. Very important. You want a different one, you can come right back up here. You can actually draw. Next one, just like that. All right. So let me put it here and kind of try to work some more. All right. If you notice right here, very important right here. But if you notice these two here don't pass at all, what can we do? All right. You want to come right up here. It says shape style. We're going to click. We're going to click this blank one. We're going to click here again. We're going to go back same place. We're going to click the black one. But if you notice right here, still don't cross. But what we can do, you come right up here. It says shape fill. When you click on shape fill, it brings up this small window here. So we're going to go down to say no fill. Right here, go down to no fill. Right. So come up here. You click again. Up here. Then you're going to say no fill. If you notice right away, you see it actually cross. Right, so the next thing we want to do, click back on insert. We're going to click here on shape. We're going to select this one here. So the square, I'm going to come like this and put it over the box. But if you notice, we have it over the box right here. We're going to come right up here, shape. I'm going to click this one. But if you notice, you haven't seen the shape inside. So what can we do in order for it to get the shape? All right, so what I want to do here, you're going to right click. When you right click, you notice right here, it says send to back or bring to front. All right. If you notice right here, I'm going to click send to back. So when I click send to back, this is exactly what happened. And this is where you actually create a Venn diagram right here in PowerPoint, right? Then again, now I can show you a different way in which I can actually cut out a piece of it. All right, just like this. All right, so I'm going to select, come right here and select on the blank document. So I'm going to click on the insert. So when I click on insert, I'm going to click on the shape. So if I come like this and I draw back one like that, right? So I'm going to click right here again on the shape here. We're going to draw one like that. So I'm going to size it up a little bit, just like that. Right? Not too raw, not too out of style, just like this. Right, so what we want to do is to come right, you notice this one highlight already. So we want to do hold on the shift key and then click on highlight both. Notice when the highlight both, if you notice right over here, it's the insert shape. Notice it's a merge shape. Yeah, that's what we're going to focus on. So we're going to click right in the pointer. When you click, you notice show you union, it show you combine, show you fragment, it show you intersect and subtract. So if I put it on you here, you notice union actually in combine, notice combine show you. Take out the middle here, right? You notice, and if I click elegant, I combine. You notice that's what happens. Interact. It actually take out the rest of them. If I click on subtract, you notice it actually take out a piece right here, right? Okay, but if I come right here and I click, then I clear like this, I can actually put the cursor right in here. I'm going to take out this particular piece right here. This is very important, just like that. And if I come right here, let me click right here and I come right here and I'm gonna do that. Right, I'm gonna click on this one right here. I'm gonna click. And this is a way of never done the Venn diagram. Very unique. So if you have learned something from this particular video, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.